Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the new NYX Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serums because I was super curious to try them and I got 4 shades here. I'm going to be showing you all 4 shades, how they wear, how long they last, all that good stuff. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. These came out like late last year and I was super curious about them, but I couldn't find them in my local Walmart. So I finally found them a few weeks back. And the first one that I tried is this one that I have on, which is called Mauve and Moist. It's this one. Because I just wanted to try them out to see if I liked them. And I tried it. I loved it. The longevity is amazing. I remember trying it for the first time. I had put it on. I waited like 7 to 8 hours later because I was doing a wear test on a foundation and I still had the tint of it. It's amazing. So I was like, oh, I need to try more shades and see if they all last the same amount of time. They feel super hydrating and everything. So I got more shades. I got 3 more shades over here. And they are Hydra Honey. This is one of the lighter ones. This one over here is another dark shade, which is Mocha Me Wet. It's more like a dark brown, like a chocolate type of color. And then I have like a mid-tone shade, which is Cocoa Drench. This is more brown, but more on the lighter side, like a medium tone type. So I'm going to show you all of them, how they look and how they wear. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so there you go. You saw them, how they wear. They all do fade into like a reddish tint. Some are deeper than others, depending on the shades. What I did notice between testing them all out and wearing them for hours is that the deeper shades last longer, of course. I had a hunch that was going to happen. And then the lighter ones don't last as much, but they do last a couple of hours, which is great. The mid-tones also has great longevity, but not as much as the deeper shades. So keep that in mind. I want to get more shades, honestly, because they're so hydrating on the lips. If you have dry lips, these are great. I have very dry lips. I always complain about my dry lips, and these are fantastic. They're very moisturizing. The hydration stays on after the little gloss like fades. They feel super soft on your lips. They're not goopy. They're not sticky at all. I hate those. These are not like that. I I think the quality is amazing. I love these so much. And when you apply them on, they're super, super glossy, super shiny. I love them overall. I highly recommend them. Let me know which ones did you grab, if you did grab some of these, and if you like them or not. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.